What's poppin', y'all? Welcome to my slime room tour. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to do something that was super highly requested for such a long time. I've literally been here for over a year already, and I might be moving out soon, so I was like, we gotta do this now. We're doing a slime room tour or warehouse tour, whatever you'd like to say. I like to say that I live in a slime warehouse basically, and you're about to find out why, so let's get straight to it. Alright everyone, come on in and let me show you around. First off, this is Unicorn Slime Shop CEO, Holden Anthony. Say hi, dude. Say hi to the camera. So, yeah, this is where we make our slime. We have like our supplies in here and stuff, so let me just kind of show you around. Let me go ahead and start here, because this is like where I naturally like gravitate to. This is our scent wall here. We have all of our scents. Nature's Garden, Just Scent, Indigo, Virginia Candle Supply, literally everything here. We have so many. And we actually just restocked like a whole bunch of them too, so got some new scents as well. And then right up here we have some charms. We go through charms like crazy because we like to add them into our slime. So these are like constantly rotating now, but these are just some of the charms that we have here right now. That's kind of cool. And then directly below that we have my baby right here, the mixer. This is a 20-quart mixer. It's super huge. It makes about 3.5 to 4 gallons of slime, depending on the type of slime that you're making. And it's just a lot of help. You know, if you don't have a big mixer and you sell a lot of slime, you should definitely invest in one of these. They're expensive, but they're worth it. All right, so in here is our supply closet. Let me show you in here. The light in there is kind of weird and it's like super yellow, so sorry about that in advance. But yeah, we literally have all of our supplies in here. We have Daiso clay. Up at the top we have our micro foam beads and just different types of foam beads, like the what are those, packing peanuts. We have slushy beads up there, different kind of glues, some magical liquid for activator and stuff like that. So, you know, we got a lot in here. So down here at the bottom are like little boxes of other add-ins that we have. So on this side here we have foam beads, so large and small foam beads. We also have some modelite clay. We have some marshmallow beads here. And then down here are like various add-ins like fishbowl beads, pigment powders, pom-poms, more marshmallow beads. We have more Daiso clay that fit in boxes, baby bumpers, jelly cubes, just all the things that you want to add into your slime. Over here is the wall of glitter. We have a bunch of glitter. They're mostly holographic glitters. If you can see here, I'm gonna get a close-up of this. Do y'all see the color shift? Hopefully you do. It's like a little rainbow holographic color shift. Yeah, they're mostly holographic glitters, but we do have like chunky glitters, iridescence, and stuff like that. Over here is miscellaneous items. We have a bunch of glue down here. All Elmer's glue, of course. Some of them we already used, some of them are not used, but love Elmer's for that. We also have like our sprinkles over here, different Fimo slices as well. And here we have chunky glitters. And over here we have miscellaneous glitters that I've gotten from like orders and stuff. Got some books here, of course, Karina Garcia's books, the slime Bibles. We have the Guinness World Record because I helped Maddie Ray break the world record for like the biggest slime. Random stuff in there. We got some more glitters because you can never have enough apparently, and more pigments as well. And if we move on this way, we have our baby mixer. So these are the mixers that we started off with, you know, and we keep them here because, you know, we can double the workload that way. Still at least make a gallon at a time. That's kind of cool. Down here is where we keep all of the slimes that we make. So, you know, just like prepared slime is already down here. And Slimes by Kit-Kat comes over to help make slime too, so some of her slimes are down here as well. Besides the mixers, we have like various items that we usually keep. It's super clean right now, but let me tell you, it's not always this clean. We have lotion, baby oil, magical liquid, just because I used it for a video, so we have a bunch of them. We got some Snow Wonder fake snow, and then over here is a slime prototype that I just made. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna call it Mermaid Sherbet, something like that. And these are the pigments that I use to make that slime, so that's why I have it here with the slime itself. And then over here, we have food coloring like crazy. All kinds of food coloring. Gel food coloring, liquid food coloring. So gotta have that there. Over here we have activators. We got some paper towels because you kind of need those. You know, label maker, just office-y type stuff. Everything you need pretty much for a slime shop. On this side too, we do have a TV so we can watch Netflix or my videos while we're making slime. We have a reorder form here for like scents or other things that we need to reorder, you know, when we're running low. That's pretty much it. And then down here we have paint. So if we ever want to add paint to our slime, we go ahead and just use paint. They have various items down here as well, popsicle sticks or beads, some charms that we have to pack, you know, just crazy stuff. Over here we have a bunch of different bubble gums that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. I got these just for like slime inspiration so that I can, you know, make different slimes kind of themed like that. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the slime room. This is where the slime gets made and sometimes packaged as well. So let's head on over this way and I'll show you another room that we use for slime. Warning though, it's super messy because it's heavily used. So just a little bit of a warning. This is my office. This is where I film the slime, right over here. And then I print labels over here on my computer and, you know, office-y type stuff. Or I sit down and just play my Nintendo Switch, to be honest. Yeah, that's pretty much all that's in here. Super messy, but whatever. So back in this door right here, this is actually the packaging and supply room, I guess you could say. It holds like the miscellaneous items that you need for a slime shop. So we have like on this wall, we have candies, we have stickers, wristbands, you know, all the things that you need to ship orders like tape and tape dispensers. And then we have the cart over here. This is literally what's in the shop right now. So if you see something you like, you can go to www.unicornslime.com and snatch it up. And then up there we have like random business cards, just different kinds of things that, you know, kind of belong in here. But back there behind the cart we have the Chanel No. 2 boxes. So if you want to like make your own Chanel No. 2, they can give you all the stuff to do that. And then down here, this is really cool. This is like the extras bins where we give you all like extra stuff. So these are not bugs, these are foam beads, by the way. I know, I freak out sometimes too. You know, just random putties or squishies, more putties you can get with your order for free. We give them out randomly. Alright, so now I guess it's time to show y'all where the magic is, where the glue is, where we have like all of our boxes for shipping. So let's go over to my garage. And out here in the garage is basically where we keep everything else, literally everything else that you can think of. We have a dolly over here and an old table just in case we need it. We have all the glue, literally all the glue. And this isn't even everything to go through. So that's fun. We have boxes and boxes of lotion. Normally have them as Clorox wipes too because you can never get enough of those. We got borax. I have a fish tank here because I was planning that for a video, which I haven't done yet actually. And then this here is like empty boxes for everything that we have in the shop, like our printer, my MacBook, you know, all that stuff. These are empty glue bottles here. My mom likes to get every last drop, so they're all, you know, upside down there so we can get them later. And then we have suitcases for when we travel with our slime. You can never have no suitcases. These things are huge. This here is a little cart with stuff that we like to take for events and stuff. So we have like our tablecloths over there, wristbands, just like random things that you need. I'm going to kind of skip this. This is a refrigerator for like drinks and stuff. We have here shipping stuff. So everything that you need to ship your slime out is basically here. We have envelopes, which are up here. And then also in this box down here, we need to order some more. future Joseph. This is a reminder while you're editing, order some supplies. We also have boxes. These are priority mail boxes so that we can get your slime to you nice and safe and fast. And then we also have packaging stuff. So we have our deli containers and lids over here. We have 2 ounce, 4 ounce containers and 32 ounce containers over here with their lids. And then we have our 8 ounce containers all over here, basically. And then we like to recycle these and use these over because we get these a lot, these little bubble bags. So we just keep them in boxes as well, so we can use them whenever. And then of course, Found by Kit Kat has some of her stuff here too. And a random baby swing, because we have babies now. So now we're in my living room, which is also kind of a part of the shop, kind of not a part of the shop. I have this table here where we usually like put all the slime on when we're packaging, things like that. I also film on this table too. It actually, I don't want to plug it in now, but it's like electrical and it'll like go up and down. And we have a little hole in here, just kidding. This is decoration. I'm getting ready for fall. Happy fall, y'all. But yeah, so, you know, this is like a kind of my set, I guess you would say, even though it's kind of all over the place right now because Holden likes to jump everywhere. He's literally on the couch right now. Holden, what are you doing? Holden loves bubbles and goes crazy. Watch this. Kitty, kitty, dude. You're so crazy. Holden for CEO. Alright, so we are back here in the slime room. You basically saw my entire house today, except for my bedroom, the bathrooms obviously, and my kitchen. Those are really the only areas that are kind of just mine. So that's why I like to say that I basically live in a slime warehouse, because everything here is like for slime. Alrighty y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. We really hope you all enjoyed it. You got a little house tour, kind of slime warehouse tour. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and we will see you next time. Bye! Say bye.